Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video 114 now, I believe. And let me just double check that actually. I make so many videos, I lose track. There we go. Yeah, 114. All right, so I want to thank you guys for checking out my video today. I want to give you a quick update how I'm doing. We got our earnings last night, which was Thursday night. I didn't get a chance to make a video. I've been busy with a bunch of things, so we're gonna get our earnings within. Yeah, we always get at 8 p.m. Central Time, so another 4 hours or so. We're gonna get our earnings for today, Friday, the end of the week. So last night was pretty decent, 0.44%, and I made $80.25 last night on the money I've invested. As you see, I also got a new referral. Some guy came in, registered underneath me, so that's going to be pretty exciting. I'm going to try to reach out to him. I like to reach out to the people that are underneath me, see if they have any questions, and want to see what they think about S Group. It's definitely a great way to make some passive income, guys. As you can see, I'm at $198.88 for the week, of course, plus today, whatever we make today. Um, that's going to get added to the pile here, guys. And yeah, I'm getting closer and closer. I can't wait, guys. I'm going to show you my careers page. I did have some people fund their account, reinvestments as well as funding. As you see now, I have yeah, next tier, which is the 10.5%. I need 25,000. I am currently at 21,230. So I need another, yeah, $3,769.42. I have a couple buddies that are going to be investing a huge chunk of change in the next little while, so I'm excited for that. And that'll get me over this $25,000 team turnover, which I'll receive a $1,000 bonus. So I'm excited for that, guys. Got some plans for the money. I'm going to put it to good use, as they say. So if you guys are thinking about joining S Group, there's a lot of really great things going on in this company, man. Like I said, I've just started October of 2020, so I've been in it for about 2.5 years. Look how far I've gone, guys, in this scale here. Made over $22,000 in the system just for having my money invested in Forex, so it's earning money on autopilot. Um, uh, 8 p.m. Central every day between Monday and every week, sorry, between Monday and Friday. So it's beautiful, guys. Just having this money come in, it helps me like pay my bills. I'm able to go out to eat, just enjoy life a little bit better, guys. You get some financial freedom in this. It's really, really phenomenal. So if you guys stumbled upon this, you've stumbled upon something really great. You don't have to take my word for it. You can check everybody else's videos. Everyone's doing real well. Um, if you are interested, though, in signing up, there is a sign up link down below in the description. After you sign up, yeah, shoot me an email. I'd love to hear from you, and tell me where you're from, and yeah, how you like to get started in S Group. I'll coach you along the way. I've been in this company for about 2.5 years now, since October 2020. So I have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge, and yeah, guys, I'll coach you along the way. Once you sign up, it's great to build a team so that way you can earn money off of other individuals that sign up underneath you, and they can make teams so that everybody makes money as well, because there's a huge downline of earnings. So my higher ups are making money off of us as well. So you make money off your team as well as off of your Forex investments. So those are two different ways you can make money off the system, guys. So but yeah, I'm going to let my investments that I have here, my three running. So I have one 600, one that's 400, one that's 23,200, guys. These are all making, see, it says daily, monthly, and totals. As you can see, the numbers speak for themselves. And these expire April 13th. So the monthly earnings of all these three will go up here for me to enjoy. So I just want to make this 5-minute daily review video, guys. Thanks for everybody signing up underneath my referral link. Those that have signed up already, those that are thinking about signing up, I appreciate you. And yeah, again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below. And also don't forget to sign up or don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below, where you can subscribe to my channel and that way you can see all the updates and everything that I have going on. So that ends my 5-minute daily review video. See you guys in the next one.